back to my more important chart analysis videos on Thursday, 5th of October with me, Japan market analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at Euro, and Euro is fairly settled, nothing too significant in terms of this little rebound. Yes, you've had support at 16.95, and it's sort of tracked a little bit higher from there, sort of 80 ticks or so. Yeah, I'd say that it's a fairly sort of well-contained move at the moment. I still think this market is corrective within that top pattern. Just zoom out, you've got this sort of head and shoulders top pattern below 1820, gives you a downside target 270 pips, which is 1550. So we've rallied off 1695, interestingly holding on to that 1660 support, which I think is a key level now. It really is a key level, certainly looking at the momentum indicators, which are increasingly corrective still, with the MACD lines tracking below neutral, stochastics below 20, RSI struggling really to get back above 50. So this 1820 neckline is resistance overhead now, overhead supply, and a key level, as we've already had the pullback, and that's where it failed. So this little sort of minor recovery, it's fairly wishy-washy, isn't it? You saw yesterday's candle below the midpoint of the range on the close. Little bit of a drift higher today, sort of 10 pips, but again I still look at this and I think the rallies are going to be seen as a chance to sell, and 1660 I think is a key level of support now. So you look at the hourly chart, little bit sort of negatively configured, nothing too significant on the configuration, but moving averages sort of flattening off, suggests this or reflects this sideways move we've seen in the past sort of week, you could argue, but there is still, I think, a trend of selling into strength on euro dollar, and I think we are going to see a test of 1660 in due course. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.